Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have been gone a few weeks, so please excuse my hiatus, but I am back now and I'm here to walk you through the steps that I took to straighten my own hair for the very first time. So if you are interested in how I achieved this silk press, please stay tuned. Now I just took my Marley twist out and I've sectioned and thoroughly detangled my hair with a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water. The system that I will be using today is the Design Essentials Volume Envy Platinum Collection, which consists of the volumizing shampoo, the extra body conditioner, the weightless leave-in conditioner, and the thermal protectant serum. First, I'm going to go wash my hair with the volumizing shampoo, then I'll be back to apply the extra body conditioner. Notice that even after my shampoo that my hair is still in sections. Now, not only do I shampoo my hair in sections, but I also detangle my hair in sections. And that is because it just makes the process go by a lot faster and I experience less breakage. Now, before applying the conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and use my Felicia brush to thoroughly detangle my hair. And then I will apply a generous amount of the conditioner because I want to make sure that my hair is well moisturized prior to applying any heat to it. Once I'm done applying the conditioner to a section, I two-strand twist and bantu knot it so that it won't be in the way when I put my shower cap on for deep conditioning. Now I'm going to remove my shower cap after allowing the conditioner to sit on my head for about 30 to 45 minutes. And I'm going to put my alligator clips back on to make sure that my hair doesn't get tangled while rinsing the conditioner out. I am finally out of the shower for the last time and I'm going to grab my microfiber towel and try to blot my hair to dry it as much as possible before applying this weightless leave-in conditioner. And just as I did before, I'm going to generously apply the conditioner, detangle that section, and then two-strand twist it and follow that process throughout my entire head. All right, I'm all done applying the leave-in conditioner and two-strand twisting my hair. Now I'm going to sit under my Conair hooded dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now I do this because the goal is to apply minimal direct heat. So if I can get it relatively dry sitting under the hooded dryer, then the less time I will have to spend blow drying it, which helps lower the chances of heat damage. As you can tell, my hair is already somewhat stretched thanks to those two-strand twists. Now before using the blow dryer, I'm going to apply the heat protectant and evenly distribute it throughout my hair. Now when blow drying my hair, I always use a comb attachment and I start out by setting it on hot and high. All right, one last attempt to get rid of any tangles and knots. I'm going to go ahead and brush that section once again. I'm going to grab it right below the roots, pull my hair to create some tension, and then hit those roots from several different angles to make sure I get my roots as straight as possible. And then I will start moving down the hair shaft until my hair is completely dry and stretched to the max. Now I'm going to change the blow dryer setting to cold and run the comb attachment through my hair a few times. Now this will close the cuticle and seal in any moisture that did not escape during the hot dry. It also helps to smooth out the hair shaft, which will create a sleeker and shinier silk press. Now I want you all to notice how well blown out my hair is. It's already semi-straight, which means that's less work for the flat iron to have to do. Something that I do to prevent sections of hair that I've already blow dried from frizzing is place alligator clips or large bobby pins at the roots and along the hair shaft to keep it stretched as I tend to other areas of my hair. All right, let's finally get into what everybody has probably been waiting on, and it's the type of flat iron that I use. It is the Impulse Far Infrared Hair Straightener by Duvolle. I was drawn to this flat iron because it's equipped with technology that helps protect my hair from heat damage, such as its infrared feature. It has tourmaline coated plates for superior straightening and hold, and it generates extra negative ions that lock in moisture. This particular straightener has 5 different temperature settings that range from 270 to 450. Now, this is a great safety measure since anything beyond 450 will burn your hair. It also has an on and off switch here, which is also used to toggle the temperature. I'm going to go ahead and turn the straightener on and allow it to heat up, and an indication that it is on is the LED that's lit there in red. And then I'm going to continue to toggle that on and off switch until that blue light gets to the temperature that I desire, which for now is 360 degrees. And then an indication that the flat iron has reached the temperature that you want it to be, the red light will begin to flash. I am so glad that after prepping my hair all day, I'm finally to the point where I can start flat ironing. Now I'm going to leave those clips in place on all but the area that I'm working on. Now I'm going to part my hair in very small sections and use my heat resistant comb to use the comb chase method while flat ironing. All right, first time straightening my own hair, so here goes nothing. Let's test out this first little piece to see how it comes out. And oh my God, y'all, I am so impressed, as you can see by my reaction, on how well that flat iron straightened my hair. Now remember that I have the temperature set to 360 degrees, which is 2 levels below the max. So it's still doing a good job despite the temperature level being at a minimum. All right, on to the next piece and working my way down the hair shaft. And this flat iron really does a good job of smoothing my hair out. My ends are very bad right now, but it does a good job of taming those frayed ends so that they aren't so noticeably damaged. And I'm going to follow these same steps throughout my entire head, and I will allow you guys to watch, and then I'll be back later to make a few more comments. And here are the amazing results of me flat ironing my own hair for the very first time. I think I have been natural since 2011, and I have always gone to a stylist to get my hair flat ironed. I've never attempted it myself, and I am so glad that I did. And thanks to this very, very, very well made flat iron, I was able to achieve professional results right here at home. You know, with everything going on with COVID and us not being able to get around and maneuver like we normally would, you know, we have to come up with alternatives and ways to do things on our own. So I want you guys to go ahead and take advantage of my discount code. I have a 70% off discount code. You can get this flat iron that's normally $195 for only $58.50. Yes, $58.50. You can get a flat iron that will last you and do your hair a lot of justice. And I will leave that discount code, which is naturally engineered, down below in the description box, along with Duvolle's website link for you to go in and make your purchase. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.